In this video, I'm going to show you how to make BBQ Sloppy Joes. For this recipe, you're going to need 1 pound of ground beef, 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, 1 cup of tomato sauce, 1/8 of a teaspoon of black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, 1/2 teaspoon of sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 cup of barbecue sauce, 1 onion, and 1 bell pepper. First thing you're going to do is chop up the bell pepper and onion. You want to get the pieces pretty small like this. Cook the bell pepper, onion, and ground beef in a skillet on medium heat until the beef is completely brown. Now stir in the rest of the ingredients, cover the skillet with a lid, and cook for an additional 15 minutes. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you try to make this, please let me know what you think in the comments below. And if you haven't yet, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any great recipes.